Go high level website builder secrets that you need to know. Hi guys, Jeremy here, and in this video I'm going to share with you some incredibly valuable secrets for building stunning websites with GoHighLevel. I've been using GoHighLevel for over 2 years now, and in that time I've seen close to 1,000 different websites from agency owners and have built quite a few myself. But recently I discovered an amazing trick that will make your websites look so much more professional that you could easily sell them for $3,000 or more as a one-time setup fee, plus a monthly subscription to keep everything running smoothly for your clients. But before we dive in, let me give you a special offer. You see, normally if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you are going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial. And on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you will receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, they're worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description below. Simply click the first link to find all of the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. All right, so let's get started. Right now, I'm inside the GoHighLevel website builder. If you're unfamiliar with GoHighLevel or how to build websites using it, let me first walk you through the process. First, click on the Sites tab in the left menu of your sub account. Next, you will land on the Sites dashboard, which is divided into different sections. For now, we will focus on the Websites section. Click on the Websites and you will see your existing websites here. Now, let's walk through the process to create a brand new one. Click on the New Website button, and here you have two options: from blank or from websites. For this demo, let's go with the templates option as it's a great starting point if you're new. Choose it and click on the continue button. Now you're in the GoHighLevel website templates library, and you can choose the template that best fits your project. So let's select the roofing templates as an example. Click on it to preview and then click continue to move to the builder. It may take a moment to load the template, but once it's done, you'll be inside the website builder, ready to customize everything for your liking. So here we are inside the website builder. You can see that it's a pretty intuitive setup. You can click on different sections and adjust the settings as needed. Right now, I've got this section highlighted and I've opened the settings for it. From here, I can change elements like the logo, the navigation menu, and so on. So this is a basic website with a roofing background, some buttons, and a few roofing related images. Nothing particularly fancy, but I'm about to show you a secret that will make these websites look 1,000 times better. So take a moment to really look at the website as it is right now. It's pretty basic, right? So you've got a black background, some simple elements, nothing too eye-catching. Now, let me show you the upgraded version. All I did was change one key thing. I replaced the boring roofing background with an animated video. It now has this beautiful purple dust effect that immediately grabs your attention, and as you scroll down, you'll notice some subtle enhancements I've added, like a smooth looping animation. Now, this simple change completely transforms the website from looking plain and uninspiring to something that feels dynamic and high quality. This kind of visual upgrade makes a huge difference in how professional and polished your website looks, and trust me, these details really do matter when trying to impress clients or customers. And the best part is that it's not complicated at all. This is something that I've barely seen others do, even after reviewing hundreds of GoHighLevel websites in the last 2 years. Adding that animated background gives your site a modern, premium vibe that can truly set it apart from the competition. Now let me show you exactly how you can achieve this effect for yourself. Normally, when editing the background in GoHighLevel, you have the option to change the color or upload an image, but the platform only accepts static images. MP4 video files are not supported, and I'm sure that's frustrated some of you in the past. But there's a workaround, and it's actually really easy. You'll need Canva for this trick. So let me quickly jump over to Canva and show you how it works. So here we are. This is the video that I use for the purple dust effect. You can see it plays like a regular video with that smooth, eye-catching animation. To find this video, I simply typed in black background in the Canva Elements search and then filtered by videos. There are tons of animated backgrounds available. You just need to choose the one that fits your version. Now, here's the important thing. Instead of exporting this file as an MP4, which GoHighLevel won't accept, we're going to export it as a GIF. Now, this makes it compatible while still giving us that animated effect. So click Share, then go to Download and select GIF. Hit Download and let it save to your computer. Once that's done, head back to your GoHighLevel builder, navigate to the background settings, and upload your new GIF. Here, you can see I've already uploaded my GIFs, and if it were an MP4, it wouldn't work. But since it's a GIF, everything is smooth sailing. For this example, I'm going to switch the background to a different animated effect. This one has a cool purple vibe as well. So let's make sure that the top section matches, and now you can see everything flows together beautifully. It's such a simple adjustment, but it gives the entire website a much more professional look, something that will set your websites apart from the competition. Whether you're building a fitness business, a restaurant, or an online store, animated backgrounds can completely change the vibe. The beauty of using Canva is that the quality of GIFs is really high when exported. So even though it's not technically a video, it still gives off that polished cinematic effect. You could easily sell websites like this for up to $3,000 or more. Plus, you can charge a monthly maintenance fee to keep everything updated and provide other services like automation. I really wish I had known about this trick earlier. In the 2 years that I've been using GoHighLevel, I've never seen anyone else use this GIF method, but it's a game changer. I encourage you to experiment with this, create some demo websites and animated backgrounds, and show them to potential clients. You'll be amazed at the responses that you'll get. Clients love seeing something unique and visually captivating, and this trick delivers just that. So there you have it. One small adjustment that can make a massive impact. Now, this is definitely something that you want to keep in your toolbox. If you're building websites for gyms, salons, or corporate clients, having an animated background can help you stand out and command higher prices for your services. If you don't have a GoHighLevel account yet, now's a great time to get started. Normally, GoHighLevel offers a 14-day free trial, but with my special link in the description below, you can get a 30-day free trial instead. So as a thank you for using my affiliate link, you'll also get free access to my full GoHighLevel Jumpstart course. In this course, I walk you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Plus, you'll receive my premium templates, including the Business Hub and Finance Hub, worth over $900, all for free. Just click the first link in the description to find all of the details and how to claim these offers. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this.